right. All right, so I just put in a short. Still trying to do the sort of $10 to $1,000. Just put in a short. The reason I got that, I got this. Um, Starting to get coiled up, implied cross to the down, as well as on the 22-minute, getting near the top of the mid of the range, and on the 2 hour, implied bearishness with a bear down, bear down, bear down, all at the same time. So let's take a look. Right now, it says the ROI is negative 1.4%, but it says we have, it's because of the commissions. So we'll see. I don't think I got a good price on it. $27,015 is where I got it. And we're currently at 27,004. So yeah, I didn't get a good price. Okay, so we just got a RB red in addition to the bear down. Like these, I like to have these two things sort of in conjunction together like this. So this is sort of a confirmation, if you will. Um, yeah, that's how I would describe it. Confirmation. Let's get some music in here. So we'll see. This gives me more confidence to sort of let this play out. When you get this one sort of as a follow. But we'll see. Um Starting to creep below on the 3 minutes the blue moving average, which is the 21, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, 21. 821. So we'll see. Um, the charts are like different on Margex a little slightly. Down 1.67, which is weird because I'm up in the price. We'll get some. Let me turn my camera on. Okay. Let's give this a little refresh here. Yeah, just kind of sideways. Although big sell off. Yeah, I didn't get a good price. This is why like you have to do you got to do limit orders. Big sell off though on the 3 minute. Big sell off here. So I'll probably take profit around 26. Yeah, probably at the body of this, 26.9, something like that. Let's take a look. Yeah, I didn't get a really good entry point on this, to be honest. I think I waited a bit too late, and then I did a market order instead of. You don't want to do market orders. You want to do limit orders, and always have the best like exit points as well as entry points when you do limit orders. Like I know this, and probably a lot of you guys know this too, but I just sort of saw a good setup, didn't want to miss it. I FOMO'd in. We'll see. She's continuing to go down. So like I noticed this around here, but I don't think I actually got the 27.15, I think is what I got. What'd they give me? Yeah. 27,015. So we'll see. Big sell off. Looks like we're probably gonna come back down. On the 3 minute, we got the Bollinger Band or the bands here at 26.99, which is also a good bit of support here on the 1 minute. So we'll see. I might live stream this if I get into a good rhythm. Big green candle here. We got rejected off the 382. Now we're getting a bear up on the 1 minute. But we're about to get a cross to the downside on the 3 minute. Rejected off of the 382 on the 22 minute. And then on the 2 hour, we're still looking pretty bearish. So this is technically still an uptrend. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is still an uptrend. We'll see. Commission on this is 4 cents. Basically, I'm break even. So I'm confident in holding this for a little bit longer. See if we can get some action because we've been in an uptrend. And this technically signifies a trend reversal. That's what it's supposed to sort of signify there. We're getting across to the downside over here, as you can see on the 3 minute. So that's bearishness implied, as well as it's actually crossing the 200 as well. It'll probably at least come down to the 55 and find resistance down there, which would be, or not resistance, support down there, which would be 26,900 and probably like 95. Which, you know, there's a lot of support down there. So we'll see. We'll let it play out a little bit longer. Okay, now we're getting a bear down. On the 1 minute, still been printing a bunch of red candles on the 3 minute here. But in the 3 minute, it looks bearish. There we go, big candle to the downside. Actually went all the way to I always fix this and it never saves my. I hate. All right. So we're on the 30 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. So this isn't like the chart that I use. I'm using Margex, which they're okay. Yeah, this is still an uptrend. But we'll see. If this could make a new low, this would be a reversal. Big candle on the 1 minute there. Okay, so we're officially in the green on profit and loss, unrealized. So battling a pretty big level right here. We'll see what happens. Oh, this is a downtrend now. Uptrend on the 30 minute, downtrend on the 1. See if this thing breaks to the downside. So, yeah, this is a downtrend on the 1 minute for sure, as well as an uptrend, and it's an uptrend on the 30 minute too. So we'll see which one. So we're getting a bear up on the 1 minute here. Big green candle. Big. Okay, so that's a W right there on the 1 minute. Let's see if we get a breakout or get rejected off of this. All right, so we're getting a bear up on the 3 minute as well. So I might see what this does. What is that price? 26.80. No, 20. So, yeah, we'll see if this is a fake out here. A lot of people would think that, yeah, it looks like that's what it is. But are we going to coil? Are we going to find support down here? So like a new trader would think that this is sort of a breakout, and it still might be. But that looks like it was a fake out, which is why I didn't close it. But we'll see. We'll see if we find. We're definitely cooling up right at this point. Something's gonna happen. It could be another move to the upside. We'll see. I have stop losses in place, so I'm willing to just sort of let this ride a little bit. I don't like being in trades forever. We're getting a bear down on the 1 minute though, and we still have this one, which is the trend. Okay. Definitely cooling up at this point. Alright, so on this chart, these charts are like different, which is kind of annoying. Because this one's the one that really matters, to be honest. Like, I don't know which one they're measuring it upon. Bear down on the 3 minute. Bar down on the 2 hour. Let me just add this one in here too. And we have a bear up or bar up on the 22 minute. Let's see though. So to like really confirm this trade, we're getting pretty close to the 55 moving average here. So you probably want to be out of the trade before then. So we'll see where we're at in profit. It says we're up 8 cents, but like I don't understand. We're still down somehow. All right, so it could be another fake out right here. We'll see. Getting, like I said, getting close to this moment right here, or the 55. I actually touched it. What we would like to see is a full cross to the downside, and then we could really ride this a little bit more, probably into the 26,944 range. So we'll see. We'd like to see a body close below this. I'm gonna ride this a little bit. Okay. We'll have an auto. I have the auto Elliott waves on, so I just put that on. I mean, it's for the 1 minute, but this last leg could go a good bit further. But that's interesting, because if that were true, then the fifth wave would be even lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually take put my take profit on a limit order. I'm gonna put it at 26,944. That's what I'm gonna put. 26,944. It's only 3%. So we're in the green. 10 cents as of right now. Like right here, this is a big level, this line. If we can get body closes below that, I might just take profit here if we get like a touch. 26,977. But what is the RSI? RSI is not too crazy. It's only at 34, so it's not like this is a, you know. Yeah, we'll let it. Let's see. We got our stop losses in. We got our take profits in. So again, this could be a fake out to the downside, just like we had right here. But it seems to be a breakdown. What do we have? You know, we had two. Well, we had two candles out of it. So right now we only have two in it, or out of it as well. So this could still be a fake out, and that would, you know, bring us out of here. Really, I should put my stop loss right here, 27.40. That would keep things a lot tighter, because that would be a break. That would be a fake out again, and sort of a spring out of here, and that would be like, yeah, I'm wrong. So let's do that. 27. I just kind of put an arbitrary, and that keeps us pretty tight, and I'm okay with that. This is the third candle. We're going deeper, touching this right now, but we have full body pretty much below this line. So this is probably going to at least go down to here, which is going to bring... I'm going to let this ride a little bit, because we haven't even finished the wave 3 yet. And this is going to be a stern sell-off here. So I'm actually probably going to re-enter whenever I think that this is finished. I'm going to let this ride a little bit. I mean, this would be a decent place to get out. But all three of these are showing... Actually, all four of these are showing bar downs at the same time. So, we'll see. See what happens here. No, I don't just go off of like bar up, bar down. It's just sort of a bias. I really like it in the case of, like, if I can tell what the market is doing, like if we're having an up market trending upwards or trending downwards. Let's say we're trending upwards. Okay, so we're getting a bar up on the 1 minute here. But still on the 3 minute looking like really bearish. I anticipate that at a minimum this yellow line is going to go down and touch this green line right here. So I'm going to let this ride a little bit. Like, this doesn't look like crazy strong. I mean, we're about to get it across the upside potentially on the 1 minute. But if it's like, how I look at it is, if we're clearly in an uptrend market, then I'm biased towards the bar ups. And if we're clearly in a downtrend on the day or the week, then I'm biased towards the bar downs as like another sort of indicator, if you will. Okay, so full close on the 3 minute below here. So yeah, I'm going to let this ride a little bit, even if I miss this, because I wanted to exit and then go ahead and have the dead cat bounce sort of trade. Which we might be doing that right now to the 382. Even if I miss it, wave 5 would bring us even lower. It would bring us, you know, really where I have my take profit at this point. So I'm going to let this ride a little bit. $26.9. Okay. Yeah, so that's what that was. This looks like that was wave 3 right there. Not confirmed until we get above 26.998. But again, it could just be another fake out. Still, and if we don't get, like if this was a fake, like if we don't get up to this point right here, at least to the 382 at 27,000, then this is just a continuation of the wave 3, which would make wave 5 even deeper. Okay, so all right, yeah. The auto Elliott wave just changed. It was saying that this is the confirmed 3, but I've seen it change back and forth. But this is a pretty stern rejection here. The 618 is at 29.69, which is pretty well where I have my I think I have my take profit there anyways. But this is looking really bearish on the 3 minute. It's looking pretty bearish. There's a lot of support here. Not really, actually. On the 22 minute, we start getting below 26.95. You know. Okay, so we're getting a bar down on the 1 minute. Again. So again, yeah, I'm going to let this ride a little bit. Especially with like this micro account that I have. You gotta take a little bit of swings. Like, you need to be tight. You need to swing high or swing hard, but also be tight with your stop losses. I think that's the key. So I'm going to let this ride a little bit. I'm going to play it to the 618. Still kind of rather conservative. I have it at 26.944 as my take profit right now. But we'll see. What is the... So, yeah. Like, this RSI isn't too crazy either. Especially on the 1 minute. Like, this thing can get putrid on the 1 minute. Like, back here, it was at 8. You know, okay, pretty big candle right now. But we're on the 41, which is like big candle. Yeah, again, like I wasn't convinced that this C was done. Or for certain that this 4 leg was done. Because it had it going to the 0.5 was somewhere up here. Like the 4 leg is done once we get rejected, probably at 27,000, somewhere in there. That's a pretty big candle. Bar up on the 1 minute. What is my 2740? And this is like post close of the market, by the way, too. Which, I don't know. I tend to have not better success, but just an easier time sort of navigating what's going on. Market close, because it's mostly just bots at that point. So we'll see. If you find something like that works for you, just keep doing that. And again, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. I do some swing trades. I don't sit here and do day trades. You know, that's not really my MO. This is just a challenge. If you're new to my channel, this is a challenge that I'm doing of trading $10 into $1,000 is the goal. And if I hit that, I'll probably just continue. So not even a ton of volume moving this thing to the upside. Pretty big candle though. All right, big bar up on the 3 minute. So we didn't quite get across. Yeah, so this is clearly working on wave 4 now, which I wanted to get a part of that. So in hindsight, should have taken profit down here, but it's okay. I'm gonna play for wave 5. Which is more risky for sure. Hindsight, like what I wanted to do is I wanted to play wave 3, take profit, and then get the dead cat bounce. I've had like the most success on riding these kind of crashes and getting the dead cat bounce is where sort of all of the best trades that I've done have been sort of like in that realm. So getting pretty damn close on the 3 minutes and having a cross, even though we poked above it. So if this yellow crosses the green, that would be in full bearish posture, and it could very well bring us, you know, to the 1618. I'm going to play things conservatively. I'm probably going to get out around the 26,972 range. Actually, I'm probably going to move my take profit up to there. Looks like it's losing a bit of steam for sure on this uptrend here. So this looks like wave 4. I don't want to say completed, but because it could definitely keep going. But these candles are losing mustard comparatively to these. Like, this is a huge candle, but not even a lot of volume though that even triggered this. No volume right now, so we'll see. What is the 1618? Ah, see, I had it. And this is still a downtrend until we get above, we still have this implied right here, which is a trend reversal. And this is still a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. So we'll see where this, that seems to be wave 4. Now we could have another little mini leg up to the upside. It's not confirmed that it's done, but this seems like wave 4 and working on wave 5. Now the question is, play it to the 1618 or to the 1, and I don't know. What I might do is put my stop loss at the 1618 at 20. So getting a bar down, cross to the downside on the 3-minute, bar down on the 22-minute. What I might do is move my stop loss here and then move my take profit here. Let me do that before it gets too late, actually. 26, 40. It's like these charts are different. It's weird. On the 3-minute, completely on top of this though, right in between these. But I'm playing for this wave 5 here. What I would hope to happen is get in between these and then put my my stop loss on the 1 at 26,970 and then put my take profit here. Like, that would be ideal. Getting a bar up on the 1 minute now, but losing a bit of steam. Again, these bar up, bar downs aren't like everything to me. But I do like them in the case of sort of a bias confirmation, I guess. But when you're like in an uptrend on the market or a downtrend, like, I think that they have a little bit more weight. See, It's saying bar up. We'll see. Because I've seen it do one right after the other. I think we just printed a. I think we just printed a. So we're getting a bar down now. And see, there we go. Bar up, followed by a bar down. The very next candle. But at the same time, we're getting a bar down on the green. Or I'm sorry, on the 3 minute. Not on the green. So with it being this close to the. So what we would like to see is it completely close underneath this green, underneath this yellow, and that would be full on bearish territory on a little bit bigger time frame, and probably bring us actually to the more aggressive fifth wave here. So that's what I'm gonna play for, and I'm gonna hopefully, if we can get in between this range, I'm gonna move my stop loss up here. That's my goal. So we'll see. We got to get through this bit of support here. So how I have this set up, by the way, is this is the 1 minute, this is the 3 minute, this is the 22 minute, and then this is the 2 hour. So just printed another red candle on the 22. Big red candle on the 3 minute. Okay, so now we are pretty substantially below the yellow. But what we'd like to see now as like full confirmation to go ahead and give a push towards this 1618 fifth wave here is going to be getting below this right here at 26,985. So we'll see. Big candle. Did we already show that one? Oh, it's still working on the same one. Okay, we got another red candle. Body getting below these wicks on the 3 minute. So we'll see. I mean, she's battling. Definitely, like, you know, pretty stern. And we still have this as sort of a bias. I mean, this definitely sort of marked a downtrend or a reversal, because this was an uptrend. And I really do like this indicator right here, the RB-Rev. It does a pretty good job of marking trend, or trend reversals, excuse me. Again, you shouldn't like put your full, like every time this, boom, I'm going all in. Like, you can't do that, but you just have to have like sort of biases. Because nothing ever is 100%. We're getting a bar down on the 2 hour as well. Okay. So we hit the... Alright, so we're getting pretty good here. We hit the one big candle. Alright, so we are... It moved the 1618, which is why we have it. Alright, so... Alright, let's move this stop loss down into the green. Ah, we might have got trigger there. Oh, we're still in it. Okay, so we... Alright, so this is... Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and stop this. We're gonna go ahead and close this one out, because I would like to ride the dead cat bounce up here. We're gonna close this one out. Good start. 14 cents on a, you know, $10 account is pretty good. We were at 30. What were we at? So when I started today, I was at 39,164 satoshis. Now we're at 39,474. On the whole, we were up 18% on satoshis, and I don't know. I'll do the percentage calculator. What we're up real quick. So on Satoshis, we started at 33,038 to 39,000. Damn, I fucking missed this bounce. That's okay. Because this 5 leg could actually go lower. It doesn't appear that way though. Alright, so that's cool. I missed that. Alright, we'll just finish it for the video. 164. So we were at like 18%, and then we were at $9.16 to now 10. We'll do an update because I don't even remember what I started today with. 1066. So up 16% on the week. This is day number 4 on USD, and I'm up 33, 38. $39,474. And we're up 19% in Satoshis because that's what my asset is held in. Alright, cool. So there you go. This is pretty raw. I might go live later actually. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video though and upload this. I might go live later and continue this process. Yeah, clearly missed that one. I wanted to get this dead cat bounce here. That's alright. This actually looks like it might be a reversal. Alright, cool. We're going to stop this video here. I might go live later and do this same thing just live. But this is walking through my first trade of the day. Everything that I was thinking and everything that I was looking for. Very raw, but there you go. Alright, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. Out.